Here is a new button. It is called star. We do not know what it means yet, but we have two clues. 2 star 3 means 2 plus 2 plus 2, and 4 star 2 means 4 plus 4. Now find. 5 star 4 equals what? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. What pattern do the two examples share? Look at the first example, 2 star 3. The right-hand side is 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 3 copies of 2. Now look at the second example, 4 star 2. The right-hand side is 4 plus 4. That is 2 copies of 4. The pattern shows up. The second number tells you how many copies of the first number to add. So A star B equals A added B times. Now run the recipe. 5 star 4. The first number is 5. The second number is 4. So we add 5 to itself 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So the answer is 20. This is the repeated addition rule. Every substitution problem hides one operation behind a custom symbol. Read the recipe. Substitute the values, then compute. This time, the symbol was just multiplication in disguise. 5 star 4 equals 5 times 4 equals 20. Find the recipe first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.